Good morning all. Welcome once again to our chemistry online class. I hope all are safe at home. So in the last class we discussed about the pH scale and how to determine the strength of acid and base using pH scale. Today we are going to discuss about the pH of some salt and also demonstrating some examples related to the strength of the pH. So let's get into the topic. Students, we are discussing about the pH scale. So what is the purpose of using pH scale? It is to determine the strength of acid and base. So we already discussed about the values of pH to be found in the pH scale based on the acidic and basic nature. This is considered as the pH paper. You can see the value range of pH from 0 to 5 and also from 6 to 10 range. Okay. So looking on the first value, that is pH as 0, light reddish color is been appear. Then the color is faded at the value of 1. A little orange color at the value of 2. And again faded at the value of 3. Then 4, yellow color. 5 with a green color. Then 6 with a light green color and 7 with a peacock blue color. And sky blue color with 8. 9 will goes as violet, 10 as goes as purple color. So here I am taking various samples of solution like water, salt, that is sodium chloride solution, then vinegar, then milk and soap solution. So in today's class we are going to discuss how to find out the pH of each sample. So this is the pH paper I am using to find out the pH sample. So I am just cutting down one of the pH paper. Okay. I just place here. Then let's take some water from this glass and put it in this pH paper. Okay. You can observe that what is the color of this pH paper. What is the color of this pH paper? It's green color. Look here, it's green color. So green color will comes on which value of pH? Around at the 7. 7 they have got this pH value. So we already know that the pure water has what value of pH? The neutral value of pH. Now we are taking salt solution, that is the common salt we used in our kitchen. So common salt generally contain sodium chloride. Okay. So I am just taking the salt water here and we are going to find out the pH of this solution. So just dropping the pH here. So what you've been observed? Again, we observed a greenish color there. So, what is the range of that pH paper comes? The range of the pH paper comes around this range, no? That is 6, 7, that range. You can see that. Okay. Next sample is vinegar. So vinegar is belong to acidic category. So what is the acid present in vinegar? Acetic acid. So the pH value should be less than 7. It should be comes like that. So I am taking some sample of vinegar and then place here. Okay. Look here. The pH value. What is the range? That is around 4 yellow color. Looking from this state, what will be the pH range value, pH value? That belongs to 4. pH is 4, which means that it is acidic in nature because there is concentration of H plus ion is more. So we can say that it is acidic in nature. Next, we are going to test impure milk solution. Okay. So, I am placing the pH paper here and pour a 1 drop of milk from this glass to this pH paper. Okay. So, look here. A green color is being observed, which means the pH value of milk is around 6. A little bit acidic in nature. Okay? Clear? Then, next sample we are going to take is soap solution. We already know that soap solution are acidic or basic in nature. It is basic in nature. So, we are having some soap solution here and I put some drops into this pH paper. Okay. And find out the pH value of this solution. Okay. The pH value of this solution will be look here. What it will be? It is above the 7, which means around 8, which indicates that the pH value is basic in nature. Since it is greater than 7, so we can find out the pH value as 8. So the soap solution is basic in nature. So this is the way to find out the pH of a sample. Like this, we can also find out the pH of different kinds of salts. Here NaCl is one of the salt that belongs from sodium family, which contains sodium positive ion and chlorine negative ion. So here we add some water to this solution and mix the solution very well and take some few drops of NaCl solution to this pH paper and identify which is it is acidic or basic in nature. So this is the pH scale to determine the pH of various kinds of solution. Since we already studied that the pure water of pH is 7 and the pH value of acidic nature is less than 7 and the pH value of basic in nature is greater than 7. Hope you understand about the concept of pH and how to find out the pH of various kinds of solution listed here. Like this, we can also find out the pH of different kinds of salts from different families or different groups, and we have identified which category they belong. Is it a acidic or is it is in a basic category they belong. So from this we understood the pH value to find out from different solution. Hope you get the concept very well about the pH scale and to determine the pH value of various solution. So let's conclude this section for now. The related link and the notes is attached along with this video. Go through the link and download the notes. Kindly attend that test paper that is attached along with it. So, I'm winding the session. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.